the most important question you're going to be asked is, who did you choose to fight for? Who mattered to you when they didn't have to? Who did you advocate for when it wasn't politically expedient? Who did you stand for or kneel for when you felt like it was the right thing to do? Who did you stand shoulder to shoulder with when it might have just been you two staying there first? But you did it because you felt like it was what you were called to do. We don't do things because they're popular. We don't do things because it will force everyone to stand up and cheer. But who is it that you will choose to fight for is how you're going to be thought of and remembered.